Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to PENGU update. Today Ethereum is on a blast and Ethereum is making some very good progress, and I think the reason altcoin are making some very big progress right now is because Ethereum is moving up, and for some reason there's a lot of money coming into the market one more time, so things are looking amazing. So there's one thing I want to analyze on the PENGU chart right now, especially on the 1 hour time frame. So we've had a high here, a lower high again, another lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and a failure to make another lower high. So from this point onwards, it is almost as if we started to reverse, and you can see that we broke above the downtrend. So I'm actually going to remove the drawings again so that we can see clearly that this was the break of the official downtrend. If I zoom in and I show you the retest here, you can see that the retest also was something that it happened. We came for the retest, and then it started to go back up and move sideways a little bit, and then it has been pushing up. So I think the plan is going to be pretty straightforward, and that is to come back up again and touch this technical target of 4600, I guess. So let's actually put a blue line here, and this is where the main technical target is supposed to be. Now there's one more pattern, and we can see this pattern just right over there, and we could actually take the top to bottom of that pattern, drop it here, and you can see that it actually takes you to pretty much this technical target of 41.57. So still pretty bullish to me, I think. Yeah, so if you do end up coming to 41.57, there is a chance that one thing that can happen is maybe do a stop loss hunt and then drop down. That is one scenario. Otherwise, if you're so bullish, if the market keeps on pumping in August, you could actually expect PENGU to make it above even 7,000 and fill this wick that is hanging in here, right? So maybe there could, it's a debate, right? But the thing is, there are chances we could be looking at this thing happening as well. I'm not going to say I'm very, very clear about this, but it's just an expectation. But with the way things are looking, you have a chance in August. If this was September is not a good month normally. So if this was in September, I could have had a lot of doubts. But if you're doing this in August, and based on how I'm looking at things in August, we could expect another leg to the upside. And it's still a very perfect month to kind of come up here and fill that wick. And then next month can actually be a totally different story, where the market actually, comes up here, fills that up, and then comes down and holds 4,400 as a very, very, very big retest right over here. So whatever is resistance. So for example, if I get this trend line like this across the board, and we drop the trend line like that, then we could be looking at a move up like this, come up here all the way up, take the wick out, and then when you go coming down, correcting, whatever this resistance is going to turn out to be your support, and then from here bounce off again, and then try to go and continue higher if they just keep pumping it. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.